Hey ladies, my name is Real and I am the creator and founder of Seductive ArT. Why did I create Seductive ArT? Well, I've been in the sex industry. No, I was not a prostitute, but I was an exotic dancer. I worked at swinger clubs as a host. I also worked on pornographic films as a stylist. Yes, they have stylists. And I'm also an author of erotic fiction. So because I was in the industry, I just sit back and I just watch women, and so many people would have conversations with me about sex and human sexual behavior, being in the sexual environment in its rawest form. And I would just sit back and I was like, you know what? I can help women. I know I can. And I created Seductive ArT. And with Seductive ArT, there's visual stimulation. I teach how to visually stimulate your partner. You got to keep his focus on you all the time, because there's so much distraction outside and out of the bedroom. And also in the bedroom, the character that goes along with whatever look that you create, how to stay in that character throughout your whole sexual experience. And we have real sex talk. We talk about everything under the sun, from how to talk to your children about sex to sex trafficking. We have to have these conversations and everything in between. And then we start on our heels, and I teach ESS, an erotic, sensual, and seductive dance with your heels on. Does heels hurt? Yes, they do, but I will teach you how to walk in them with technique and also confidence. So, on November 23rd, which is a Saturday, from 7 to 9 p.m., I will be having my Seductive ArT workshop. What makes Seductive ArT workshop different from any other workshop that you ever went to? First of all, it's not boring. That's first and foremost. Because it's fun, it's informative, and it's interactive. And throughout, there will be sex toys sold for you to purchase if you like. There will be wine. I will be giving out giveaways throughout the night. So, mind you, it is in a very intimate setting. It's going to be happening at Hempsville, Harlem. And you get to learn all about Hempsville. It's a store, and they have like all these. You're going to learn about what Hempsville is, and she has some great products. So, I hope y'all enjoy me, which is Saturday, November 23rd from 7 to 9. My name is Real, and I am the creator and founder of Seductive ArT. And I hope y'all join me. See you ladies there. It's going to be real cute.